And this is rechargeable, so it seems like it's packaged together real nice. What does this shit say? Kind of guidelines. They even come with a lead locker on there. The booklet, which screw. So I plug this here in, push a button on the side. It tells you that it's charging, tells you how much time is left, battery life. Yeah, you can leave this on the slide while it's charging. The size of that thing, god damn. So we got this mounted. The RMR off my Zev OZ9. Just kind of see the size difference between this and the RMR. Remember, this isn't zeroed, the RMR is, but that's a big difference in the size of the window there. Now let's compare it to, so this is the slide off my Canic Rival. Yet again, only a slide, not a gun, and this is the Swamp Fox, the Swamp Fox window. Oh, this is off. These both have the buttons on the sides. I like the Trijicon buttons better. They're a little bigger. This is definitely the biggest window out of all of them, I would say. But overall, I like it. Now I just got to zero it and test it with live fire and see how it holds. That's for another video.